Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're going to be doing a review, unboxing and review of the Plugable. It's an NVMe Enclosure. Let's open this sucker up. So this is a toolless design, no tools required. Thermal pads. Just check it inside out. Open it. This little thing in the back. Opens up. Here's the enclosure. Let's open up the drive. This here is a Western Digital SN850 2 terabyte NVMe drive. I'm upgrading my laptop to a bigger drive from a 500 gigabyte to a 2 terabyte. Okay, so here's the drive here. Okay, let's pop open. There's a sucker there. And this is without a heatsink. No heatsink on this model here. So just stick it in. So there it is, ready to go. Use this USB-C to USB-C. We'll clone the drive and then install it in the computer. This is all aluminum case. So there you have it. It's a nice little enclosure. I'll put links to Amazon below. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.